Running Etsy ads too early is one of the fastest ways to convince yourself that your products don't work. And most of the time, that's not the problem. If we haven't met yet, hi, I'm Sarah, and I help Etsy sellers build visibility and consistent sales by strengthening the foundation of their shop and their listing optimization. So let's talk about Etsy ads for new shops. Because the real question is not necessarily are they worth it, but more what are you expecting them to do? Etsy ads are not usually about your product, but more about your listing strength. When you are brand new on Etsy, your listings are still in development. And this is completely normal. You're not doing anything wrong. You just don't have enough data to optimize yet. Your keywords are still being tested. Your photos may still need refinement. Your pricing might still need adjusting. And your conversion rate hasn't stabilized yet. Etsy ads do not fix those things. They just send paid traffic to whatever's currently live. And if your listings are not converting yet, ads are not magically going to fix that for you. They're just going to cost you money. Now, that does not mean that ads are always a bad idea. It just depends on your goal. If you're a new shop thinking, I'll just turn ads on and make some money, it's really unlikely to work that way because new shops tend to have lower conversion rates. So let's say your conversion rate is 1%. That means you need 100 clicks to get a sale. And if that click costs 30 cents each, that's $30 just to get one customer. For most new sellers, especially if you're selling digital products, that completely wipes out any profit. And getting sales just to get them does not help you get more sales. So if your budget is limited, that money will be much better spent on stuff like keyword research or learning how to actually optimize your listings, or even strengthening your photos. Then those improvements will make your ads more profitable when you're actually ready for them. Now, before we end today, there is one situation where ads might make sense for a new shop. If your goal is to buy data, ads can speed that up. If you have some flexibility in your budget, like money you are comfortable spending or losing in order to gather data, ads can help you do that. So they can help you see which of your listings attract clicks. They can help you find your conversion rate quicker. They can help you identify which keywords are really getting attention of buyers. So in this scenario, you're running ads to learn faster. I need you to know here that in this scenario, buying data does not help you rank organically any faster. Paid traffic and organic placement are completely different things on Etsy. So in this scenario, you're only paying money to gather insight, to get data, and not to boost your organic visibility. So are Etsy ads worth it for new shops? Usually not if you're looking for profit. New shops tend to need to focus on refinement before they focus on things that amplify their traffic, like ads. If you want to build a foundation that makes your ads profitable later, that is exactly what I teach in my free masterclass. I walk you through my visibility framework that helps you determine why your listings are not getting found in Etsy search and what to do about it. You can register for free at sarahjwigner.com/free class or find the link in the description. I'll see you there. And if you are a newer seller watching this, feel free to leave all of your questions about Etsy ads in the comments. If you're listening on your favorite podcast player, head on over to YouTube to leave me your questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.